It's the Weather Extreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, the 29th of October. I'm James Spann. Weather today will be more like January across Alabama. Clouds, some light rain, drizzle. Temperatures about 20 degrees below average for late October. Look at that deep cold core, upper low that's dominating the flow over the entire eastern half of the country. That was the radar this morning, a little before 5 o'clock. We had light rain falling over parts of North Alabama. That's where the better chance of rain will be today. Temperatures this morning are mostly in the low 50s. They will go absolutely nowhere today. In fact, some spots could slip back into the upper 40s over North Alabama this afternoon. And again, you factor in the clouds, the light rain, it will feel like the dead of winter. We've got wind advisories for the southern counties of the state and parts of the Florida Panhandle today. Otherwise, things awfully quiet across the country. Got a marginal risk of severe storms today for parts of the middle Atlantic coast. Tomorrow, no severe weather expected across the country. And day 3, Sunday, hard to find any thunder across the country. Very cool, stable air mass over much of the United States. Here's the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Friday morning of next week. South Alabama, mostly dry, although they could see a little light rain today. For the northern half of the state, rain amount should be 1/2 inch or less. And off in the tropics, a cold core system is up in the North Atlantic, and they'll be drifting towards the southeast. Really, that will not be a tropical system. The core of the Atlantic basin just quiet as a mouse. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. And look at that thing, that big bowling ball feature all across the eastern states. A 546 upper low to the center near Chattanooga, Tennessee. And obviously with that thing nearby, it's going to be cloudy, it's going to be cold, some rain at times. Temperatures hovering around 50 all day today for North Alabama. And then tomorrow, the upper low begins to lift out, but still clouds will linger over North Alabama. And again, the chance of a little patchy light rain or drizzle for the northern half of the state, especially north and east of Birmingham by afternoon. And then Sunday, we'll see sunshine back in full force. The high Saturday, tomorrow, in the mid to upper 50s. Then Sunday, the high should be closer to 70. Monday, beautiful day. This is Tuesday. We're still dry. Highs upper 60s. This is Wednesday. Got some rain to the north. And then Thursday, we're still dry. We've seen some inconsistency in how this whole thing plays out. This is a week from today, Friday, the 5th of November. A trough approaches, and that could squeeze out some light rain. So at some point toward the end of next week, there's probably going to be a little rain here, but probably not much. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday, November 7th. And if this verifies, that could be a trouble for some. That's a deep, long-wave negative tilt trough, and underneath that, we got a surface low that is over southern Illinois. And this would suggest a major snowstorm for parts of Missouri and a severe weather threat for Alabama. But as usual, the European says not so fast. It's got the surface low over the Florida Panhandle near Tallahassee with a lot of rain, yes, but just good old-fashioned rain and no severe weather. So way too early to be concerned about that. We'll watch the trends. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 1 and 2 inches between now and the 12th of November. Highs only in the 50s today and tomorrow. Next week, mostly 60s and 40s. And the CPC outlook, this is for November 5th through the 11th. Temperatures around here will likely stay below average. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third-grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.